My name is Sharon Amacher. I'm professor and vice chair of the Department of Molecular Genetics and a professor in biological chemistry and pharmacology. I run an active research lab of undergraduates, graduate students, and postdocs investigating muscle development and disease using the zebrafish as a model system. I also teach in the classroom in genetics and development. And my lab and myself, as well as my entire department, are also very actively engaged in outreach in the K-12 community, particularly Project BioEYES. All kids are natural scientists and experimentalists, and I think that hands-on science is the best way to nurture and engage kids in science. Project BioEYES is a week-long experience in the elementary school classroom where we bring zebrafish into the classroom. The kids set up a mating pair of zebrafish, they collect the embryos, and they watch them develop using microscopes over the course of the entire week. So kids doing BioEYES, they don't just do science, they are scientists. So they formulate hypotheses, they collect observations, and they make conclusions based on what they observe. My own experiences when I was growing up, the ones that really sort of reinforced and nurtured my interest in science are the ones that were hands-on activities, and they're experiences that I still remember today. And that's what I want to provide for kids in the Columbus area. Our work aligns with all the key commitments that are part of the OSU engagement philosophy. BioEYES is completely free for participating schools, so every child has the same resources and opportunity no matter what school district they're from. Because we just recently converted BioEYES to a service learning course, BioEYES also brings college students into the classroom, and elementary students then get to see that aspiring scientists are real people from all different walks of life and backgrounds. Those are some of the key things that BioEYES brings into the schools. Our ideal collaborators are teachers and schools who want to provide this kind of experience for their students, but who are also looking for a long-term commitment. It's our hope that when we go into a new school, that school will commit to providing BioEYES to 4th or 5th graders in their school for years to come, so that basically every student that enters that school knows that they get to participate in BioEYES. We also are looking for teachers who want to engage with us in the classroom and with the curriculum so that after they've done BioEYES for a few years, they are able to actually provide the program to their students on their own with equipment and materials provided by us. And as they do that, we're able then to expand into more schools and offer this opportunity to kids all over Columbus.